spy novels. That's,
Spy novels?
Yeah, that glues them right in.
my, my son tries to get our dogs always to sit down and read the books with him, and they don't have the patience for it.
Yeah.
He's also 2, so he just
Well,
goes
that
A,
explains
B,
that.
C. Yeah, that's about it. Well, you know, this evening, a beautiful night outside.
Yeah, it is.
And I'm going to get that forecast right so you don't put that shock.
that, like,
I don't know about that. Ugh. You know, tonight we've got temperatures still in the mid to upper 80s across the area. A lot of folks out and about down by 6th Street. We got our live picture downtown near the Paramount Theater this evening. Current temperature sitting at 85. We have a southeast wind at 6 miles an hour. Dew point numbers have climbed back into the upper 60s, so you can really feel that air as you step outside this evening. We've got temperatures right now at 84 in Burnett and Lakeway. We've got readings at 85 in Bastrop, 82 currently in San Marcos. Look what happens, though, once we throw in the humidity. Heat index value still in the upper 80s to near 90. It feels like 89 outside this evening. It will eventually feel a little bit more comfortable, but it's going to be a sticky night tonight, and that humidity is going to be sticking around for a good portion of the day again tomorrow. So we could be flirting with that triple-digit heat index number once again tomorrow afternoon, just like we did today. Now, as far as satellite and radar goes, had a little bit of activity move across the northern part of the state, also across East Texas, as we've got a little mid-level low that's moving along the northern Gulf Coast, and that's what produced those showers. They're going to be kind of diurnal showers that we'll see the next few days. We'll see them during the morning and afternoon hours. They'll fade out at night and then redevelop during the afternoon hours again. So we're going to keep a slight chance of rain in the forecast tomorrow, because we did see 1 or 2 of those little showers move through our eastern counties today, and I think the general direction is to move that moisture a little bit farther west the next couple of days. So we'll keep a 10% chance of rain tomorrow and maybe even into Monday, and then increase that chance as we head through the work week. As far as water vapor imagery goes, not really showing up all that well across the northern Gulf, but you notice the general pattern showing a lot of these whites and green colors across the state. This is a little bit more moist atmosphere that we have across Texas, as opposed to these orange colors off the Baja, which is very dry air. So that is good that we have moisture in the atmosphere, because once we get enough lift, we're going to see a few of those showers developing. Also, something in the longer term we'll be watching is an area of disturbed weather that will be coming off the coast of Mexico. Some of the forecast models actually try to develop that into something late in the work week and towards the weekend. And I've blogged about that on our website at KXAN.com. You can click on the weather tab up at the top there and then walk down to about the last thing on the weather tab will be weather blogs, and you could read more about this. I even show a couple of images of the forecast models towards the beginning of next weekend. In the short term, though, back at home, we're going to see just a few scattered clouds during the overnight. Low clouds once again will fill in late tonight and towards tomorrow morning. So I think most of us will wake up mostly cloudy tomorrow morning, but the clouds will start to break up pretty quickly, and that's going to give us a very warm afternoon tomorrow, where high temperatures will climb back to around 96. Tonight, though, we're going to see 74 first, and then we'll get to that 96 tomorrow, with southeast winds relatively light at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. We will gradually start to cool down through the work week. We'll see 95 on Monday. We'll increase clouds a bit on Tuesday, and that rain chance up to about 20%. I think we'll have a 30% chance of rain and thunderstorms Wednesday, and into Thursday that chance begins to taper off. Drier air will arrive Friday and Saturday, I think, because if we do get a little bit of tropical moisture, we got to get the dry side of it first. We'll see that early, and then possibly getting some of that moisture off the Gulf for the end of next weekend.